Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to boost your visibility by add your clickable social media link into your Google My Business profile. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here, open up my Chrome browser. You have to open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here and type in google.com. Then hit enter. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. It's going to take you to business profile manager right here, just like so. Then having gotten to this particular stage, next thing you need to do is to simply click on edit profile. Under the edit profile, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to social profile. What you need to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So you see the list of social profile that you can add into your Google My Business link. Next thing we want to do is to simply, I'm going to select Facebook right here. So what we want to do is to select Facebook. We haven't selected Facebook. Next thing we want to do is to copy and paste the Facebook page URL link right here. I'm going to click on hold down and I'll paste the link right here. I've already copied the link. So once you copied and paste the link, next thing you need to do is to simply click on save right here. So it's as simple as that. So you can see your edit is pending. It usually takes up to 10 minutes to be reviewed. Once it's reviewed, then the social media link is going to be added to your Google My Business page without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.